Class 7 IMO Achiever Section Part 2. Achiever Section question number 1. Read the given statements below and identify the correct option. Statement 1. Ramesh cut a 9.25 meter length of string from a ball of string, and Suresh cut a length of 3.6 meter longer than Ramesh. Leftover string in the ball was twice the total length cut by Ramesh and Suresh. Then the original length of the string in the ball before it was cut was 78.2 meters. Given length of string cut by Ramesh is equal to 9.25 meters. Length of string cut by Suresh is equal to 9.25 meters plus 3.6 meters, which is equal to 12.85 meters. Remaining length of the string in the ball is equal to 44.2 meters. Total length of the ball before it was cut is equal to length cut by Ramesh plus length cut by Suresh plus remaining length of the string, which is equal to 66.3 meters. Statement 2. Sunil painted 2/3 of the kitchen and his son painted 1/12 of it. Their neighbor helped to paint 1/4 of the kitchen. So the fraction of kitchen that Sunil and his son painted more than their neighbor is 1/2. Part of the kitchen painted by Sunil and his son is equal to 3/4. Part of the kitchen painted by the neighbor is 1/4. The fraction of kitchen that Sunil and his son painted more than their neighbor is 1/2. Therefore, statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. Achiever Section question number 2. Read the given statements carefully and select true or false. First one, if 2 minus 3y plus 4y by 9y minus 8y plus 7 is equal to 4/5, then y is equal to minus 32. Let us cross multiply and we will get 5 into 2 minus 3y plus 4y is equal to 4 into 9y minus 8y plus 7. Now we can simplify and solve for y. If we do that, we'll get y as minus 38 and not minus 32. Therefore, statement 1 is false. Statement 2. Shruti's father's age is 10 years more than 5 times Shruti's age. If Shruti's father's age is 40 years old and Shruti's age is y years, then 5y plus 10 is equal to 40. Given Shruti's father's age is 10 more than 5 times Shruti's age. Given Shruti's age is y. Then from the given information, we can frame the equation as father's age is equal to 5y plus 10. Since they have already given the value of father's age, that is 40, we can substitute the value of father's age as 40. So we will get 40 is equal to 5y plus 10. That is exactly the same as they have given in the question. Therefore, statement 2 is true. Third statement. The equation for the statement sum of 8 times of a number x and 15 gives 55 is 15x plus 8 is equal to 55. Given sum of 8 times of a number and 15 gives 55. And we can write this as 8x plus 15 is equal to 55. So the obtained equation is not the same as 15x plus 8, which is equal to 55. So the third statement is false. Achiever Section question number 3. Select the correct option. The value of this given equation is p. So let us find the value of p. Let us simplify this equation. We will get the value of p, that is minus 17/12. Now we'll go to the second option. First, let us simplify for the value of x. If we simplify, we'll get the value of x as 21/8. And if we simplify for the value of y, we will get 3/4. And if we substitute x and y in the given equation, we can find the value of q, that is 9/5. Third option. On subtracting the quotient of this given expression from the quotient of this given expression, we get r. Let us take the first equation as x and the second equation as y. Here x is equal to minus 10 and y is equal to minus 3 on simplifying. Now on subtracting the quotient of x from y, we get 7, that is the value of r. Achiever Section question number 4. Read the given statements carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. If 3m minus 2 is equal to 6/5m plus 1, then the value of 3m is 5. First, let us multiply the entire expression by 5 to eliminate the fraction. Then, separating the constants and variables and simplifying, we get 15m minus 6m, which is equal to 10 plus 5. Now we can solve for m, that is 5 by 3. Then they have asked for 3m. 3m is equal to 5 by 3 into 3, which is equal to 5. So statement 1 is true. Statement 2. A number m is 5 less than 3 times of the number n. If the value of m is 49, then the value of n is 16. Given a number m is 5 less than 3 times of the number n, we can write this as m is equal to 3n minus 5. Given m is 49, then we can use the above equation to find the value of n. The value of n is 18. Here n is 18, not 16. Therefore, statement 2 is false. Achievers section question number 5. Which of the following options is correct? Option A. First, let us take the LHS. If we simplify the LHS, 21 to the power 5 can be expressed as 7 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5, which makes the calculation easier to handle, and 18 to the power 3 can be written as 3 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 3. So, simplifying this equation, we will see that the LHS is equal to the RHS. In option B, if we simplify, LHS is not equal to the RHS. Therefore, this option is false. Option C. If we simplify, therefore this statement is also false. In the D option, after simplifying, we can see that the RHS is not equal to the LHS, and this is also false. So the correct option is the A option. Achiever section question number 6. Find the value of x in the given expression. First, let us solve and find the value of x. After eliminating all the denominators, we will get 87x is equal to 55. Now using this, we can find the value of x, that is 15 by 29. Achiever section question number 7. In the given figure not drawn to scale, if EFA is a right angle triangle with angle EFA is equal to 90 degrees, FGB is an equilateral triangle, then find the value of y minus 2x. EFA is a right angle triangle. Angle EFA is equal to 90 degrees. BFG is an equilateral triangle. Angle BFG is equal to 60 degrees. Angle FBG is equal to 60 degrees. And angle BGF is equal to 60 degrees, because in an equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal. Here we can write x is equal to 60 degrees minus angle BFC and y is equal to 90 degrees minus FBC. We know that BCG is a straight line. So angle BCF plus angle FCG forms a linear pair. Angle BCF is equal to 88 degrees. Now considering the triangle BCF, sum of all the angles in the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Angle BCF plus angle CBF plus angle BFC is equal to 180 degrees. So we can find the value of angle BFC, that is 32 degrees. Using this, we can find the value of x, that is 28 degrees, and y, that is 58 degrees. So now y minus 2x is equal to 2 degrees. Achiever section question number 8. Solve the given expression. In the given expression, this can be written as the following. Taking LCM and simplifying the denominator, we get x to the power q by x to the power q plus x to the power p plus x to the power p by x to the power p plus x to the power q, which can be written as x to the power q plus x to the power p by x to the power q plus x to the power p, which is nothing but 1. Achiever section question number 9. In the given figure, if PR is parallel to SU, angle WVQ is equal to 10 degrees and PS is parallel to VT, then the sum of A and B is. Here angle WVQ is equal to 10 degrees, which is equal to angle SVT, since they are vertically opposite angles. Considering PR is parallel to SU and SQ is a transversal, B plus 10 degrees plus A is equal to 180 degrees, since they are co-interior angles. So we can find the sum of AB, that is A plus B is equal to 170 degrees.